Chains are one of the core components of LangChain, and LangChain itself gets its name from combining language and these chains. So the way they work is that we have seen these individual components, like the prompt template combined with the user input, can be sent as a prompt to the LLM. Now, this combination or these steps involved here to combine the prompt template with the user input and then sending it to LLM requires multiple commands. Now, that's where chain comes in, and it combines all of these different steps or commands into one block, and that is something that could be used as chain. And in the example that we just saw, this is an LLM chain which takes a prompt and sends that to the large language model. It's one of the basic LLM chains that we will work with. Now, to implement a simple LLM chain, this is something that we did in our previous examples. We just drag and drop an LLM chain. This is in Flowwise. So I'm going to look in the chains, and under chains, I'm going to look at the LLM chain. And once we drag and drop, it requires two connections. One of that is the language model. In this case, we can provide OpenAI language model or any of the large language models available in here, or we can also supply the chat models. So for example, we have used chat OpenAI before. Now with this, the second connection is the prompt itself. In this particular example, I'm going to take the input and just write a joke about that. So once we save this and if we run it, then we can ask or give any topic. It's going to provide a joke on that particular topic. So this is a simple LLM. And similar is the case in Langflow, where we can start a new project. And let's say we were to bring the LLM chain, then it's going to require two inputs. So I'm going to bring in an LLM, which is OpenAI, and I can drag and drop a prompt. So let's do that. So using a prompt template, now we can supply our prompt in here, as we have seen examples before, and run this. So this is a simple LLM chain.